the history here at Hackensack Golf Club. There's a lot of history. This is the golden age of treasures when it comes to deep historical roots. Founded in 1899, it stands proudly as one of the oldest golf courses and one of the most privileged to play in the United States. We're going to walk all through Hackensack, and it's unbelievable turn-century club here. It has grown dramatically from the original site. In its first few decades, it was completed in a different piece of land. In 1928, it was relocated after a grander, prestigious home location the club purchased. The current location that we're seeing today, and Charles Banks, the famous golf designer, came in and developed this premier destination for golf with his classic template holes that were some of the ones we see today in everyday modern golf courses. After working alongside Seth Rayner for years, it became widely celebrated that Charles Banks' first solo design here. He mapped out the entire stem to stem after the passing away of Rayner. Overall, this is a true testament of time, and Banks loved heavy machinery. He developed a course with massive 12-foot high bunkers that you can still see today, and it still remains a popular destination with template holes like the punchbowl on number 16. The blueprints that were lost in the basement. While it was 2007, they realized the original 1912 design blueprints were forgotten in the clubhouse basement and found. Rhys Jones came in for the restoration project, and the club's immediate famous Open Doctor of Golf helped redesign to the original layout based on this information. The club used the print to remove some trees and widen some fairways. I'm not going to go into too many details. Nonetheless, there's a championship facility and has hosted multiple events like the 1935 Metropolitan Cup and the 1957 USGA Senior Amateur, the US State Open in 2012 and 2013, and most recently the 2033 NJSGA State Open. Do you like template holes? Then you'll find yourself wanting to play this golf course. Be sure to let us know down in the comment section what it's like. If you're a member, also write down what you like most about this course. And if you're learning about the course, be sure to add any information that you think that's useful that might not have been added on this video. That's it for this video.